Hello friends, in this video I'll be taking a project on displaying some welcome message to the user. This project will show you how to use event handlers and layout manager. So click on start new Android Studio project, give the experiment name as EX2, click on next, blank activity here, then click on next. Finally finish. This experiment, the first screen will contain 4 controls to get the first name and last name of the user and a button. Once we click on the button, it will take us to the next activity where it will display welcome, the first name plus the last name. Okay. So delete the default hello world from the initial screen. Okay. We will do the designing first. Drag a linear layout to your screen. Okay. Then drag a large text. Double click it. Change the text to first name. Then in palette go down. So drag a plain text to the screen now. Okay. Double click it. Change the ID to txt fname. So this helps us to get the value. Then drag another one large text and give the text as last name. Drag another one plain text, change the ID txt name. To get the value of this edit text or the text field, we will be using this ID. ID is an identifier for that component. So if you give our custom names, it will be easy for us to remember and use it in our program. So then drag a button to the screen. Fine. Double click it, change the text to say next. Okay, so this is our design in the first screen. Now we have to add another one activity. So for that, go to the Java folder, right click the first folder, first package, go to new and click on activity, then blank activity. So this is where the blank activity is. So it will ask for the activity name. So you can give the name as welcome activity and click on finish. So this screen will contain only the welcome message. So we'll drag a linear layout first. Insert 2 large text. So double click the first one, change the name to welcome. Double click the second one, we don't need any text here, so delete it. So ID we can give as it is a label format, LBL my value. Okay, so the component will be disappearing, but we will be using later. So now come back to content main.xml file. So now we have to write code here. So when we click on next, it should go to the next screen. So go to the text view now. Just come to the area of the button. So here write Android on click So the options will be displayed here. Once you are above the option, put a tab, so automatically it will be filling. So then here we have to give the name of the function which will be called when this button is going to be clicked. So click here and write next screen. So this is my function name. So click anywhere inside this and go to the bulb symbol here and click create next screen of view. So this should be available. So click on this, it will automatically create the code for you. Here we are going to write the code now. So the first line is creating an intent. So intent some next screen is equal to new intent of this, comma, the next class which you want to go. In this our case it is welcome activity. So welcome activity dot class. Okay. So then we have to send some values like the first name and the last name. So first we will get the values. So we declare edit text some e1 equal to edit text of find view by id r dot id dot, so then the name, so we want to get the value of txt first name f name. Edit text e2 equal to edit text of find view by id of r dot id dot lname. Txt lname. So now we have created the objects which will be pointing to those two text box like txt fname and lname. Okay. Now in order to pass the value through the intent, we have to use a function of intent called put extra. So ns dot put extra of the name like fname and the value. So in this case e1 dot get text of dot to string of. Again second value ns dot put extra of lname comma e2 dot get text of dot to string of. So we have passed through both the values. Now we have to start the activity. So start activity of the intent name, that is ns. Okay. So the code here is over. Intent is created objects for both the edit text, passed values by using the key fname and lname, and started the activity. So this will open the second activity. Now in the second activity we have to just display some content here. So we'll open the Java file, that is welcome activity. Come here inside the Java folder, open this welcome activity. Okay. So in the on create function, first we'll get the intent. So intent some nn equal to get intent of. Okay. So now we have to display the things. So first we will get the value from the intent. So string f name equal to nn dot get string extra of the name here, the first name. Okay. Then string lname equal to nn dot get string extra of lname. Okay, once you did this, you got the values in fname and lname. Now we have to display. So to display it, we have to again get the text view ID. So text view is equal to text view of find view by id of r.id.lbl my value. Okay, so ts dot set text. So this function will set the or change the text of f name plus l name. Okay, that's all. So now you can run your application. So click on the green button here. So you can see here your application has been compiling. So Gradle is the component which does that work in Android Studio. So now you can select Genymotion here and click on OK. Open Genymotion. So you'll get the screen called first name and last name. Give some input. Click on next. So you can see your message has been displayed. Okay, thank you for watching.